We've reached the point where science fiction becomes physics. Here are 5 discoveries that will rewrite the rules of the universe forever. Discovery 1, cold fusion. Estimated date, 2045 to 2055. Imagine a world where energy is as free and accessible as the air you breathe. No more oil, no more emissions, and no more wars over resources. Because we've achieved what was once thought impossible, cold fusion.
Wait, does that mean we actually caught a star and put it in a bottle? Is that as simple as that?
This is star power, right here on Earth. We've forced hydrogen atoms to fuse at low temperatures. The result, infinite energy, where the only byproduct is harmless helium.
The numbers are incredible. A single glass of water now provides as much energy as thousands of tons of coal. This means we can light the entire planet, clean the oceans, and even fly into space without spending a dime.
This is only the beginning. Free energy means that, for the first time, humanity has defeated the very concept of scarcity. When energy is infinite, nothing is impossible. Our civilization has officially become a Type 1 civilization, one that fully masters the resources of its own planet. Discovery 2, quantum Internet and Teleportation. Estimated date, 2060 to 2075. Say goodbye to distance and waiting. We have abolished time for information transfer. The quantum internet isn't just about speed. It is an instantaneous connection to any point in the universe.
This is incredible. It used to take minutes for a signal to arrive from Mars, and now the latency is 0. No ping at all.
Through quantum entanglement, 2 particles feel each other even if they are in different galaxies. Change one, and the other changes instantly. Distance no longer exists.
Teleportation?
Information no longer travels through space. It simply is everywhere at once. And not just information. We have learned to teleport atomic structures as well. For now, it's only at the microscopic level, but the path is open. Discovery 3, hyperintelligence and collective consciousness. Estimated date, 2085 to 2100. Instant information transfer is great, but what's the point if your biological brain still works as slowly as it did thousands of years ago? The third big discovery is the leap from the individual mind to global intelligence.
Well, I feel the flow of data. It's something new. It's like the internet has been directly connected to my memory.
Exactly. Neural interfaces have erased the line between biology and technology. You no longer need to learn, you simply know. Any piece of knowledge, any language, or any experience is now your collective property.
Wait, if we all connect with each other, where are my personal thoughts?
Fear is understandable, but collective consciousness doesn't mean the loss of individuality. It is a polyphonic symphony where each of you plays your own part, yet together you create a hyper-intelligence capable of solving the universe's greatest mysteries in seconds.
This means that loneliness no longer exists. We can feel each other's emotions and ideas without words.
That is exactly the next step of evolution. When 8 billion minds start thinking as one, nothing is impossible. Discovery 4, matter programming. Estimated date 2110 to 2130. This is the technology that will eliminate the very concept of scarcity. Imagine a world where any object, from your smartphone to your home, is not a permanent object, but a temporary form. We have learned to program matter at the atomic level.
Wait, does this mean I don't need to go to the store anymore? If I need a chair, I can just tell matter to turn into a chair?
Exactly. This is programmable matter. Billions of nanorobots obeying your command. Shape, density, color, everything is a variable. Resource scarcity is a thing of the past.
This is incredible! This means that there will be no more waste. If I no longer need an item, it will be turned back into its original atoms and we will create something new. Complete recycling in seconds.
That is precisely the point. We are no longer building the world, we are programming it. Your transport, your furniture, your home, clothes that change properties based on the weather. Matter has become as flexible as your imagination. But if we master matter here on Earth, imagine what we can do on other planets. Are you ready to build on a universal scale? Discovery 5. Planetary engineering and extraterrestrial life. Estimated date 2150, when humanity transforms from a single planet species into an interstellar civilization. We have learned to master energy, transmit information instantaneously, and program matter. The time has come to apply all of this on a universal scale. The 5th great discovery, the awakening of the cosmos. The moon is now our primary spaceport, but the real challenge is over there, on Mars. Planetary engineering, or terraforming, allows us to turn a dead planet into a second Earth.
I see the atmosphere changing. Oceans are emerging where for billions of years there was only dust.
And while we were melting the ice on Jupiter's moon Europa, the moment we had waited centuries for finally happened. We discovered that we are not alone in the universe.
What? Really? Did you find them?
It is not a war of the worlds. It is microscopic, ancient life within the icy oceans. The first proof that life is a natural state of the cosmos, not an accident. We are no longer beings trapped on a small island. We have become citizens of the universe. These were 5 discoveries that changed the world, but the greatest discovery is not in the laboratory, but in your mind. Remember, the future is not something that just happens. The future is something you create. See you in the future.